Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says three faces of a fair dice are yellow. So, in first phase, it is yellow, second, yellow, in third, yellow. Two faces are red, 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 and one is blue. Okay, the dice is tossed three times, so one time, the next time, the next time. Find the probability, this is probability, that the color yellow comes first, red, blue appears first, second, and the third toss respectively. So look at this required probability. So in first toss, you should have yellow color. So altogether there exist 6 cases, out of which 3 is yellow. So first case is okay in first dice or first throw of a dice. It both are same. Okay. Now in second you wish to have red one. So you know that altogether there are 6 cases, out of which red is 2. Okay, so 2 by 6. And then we have third toss. In third toss, you expect to have a blue one. So altogether 6 cases, out of which you want to have a blue. So how many times? One time. What is the required probability? So it is 6 by 216. Okay, or you can write this thing as 1 by 36. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.